Hi everyone, and welcome to a new video.
As one of the oldest cities in Morocco, Safi has 8 centuries long history to narrate to us.
Safi is known for the sardines, the pottery, but also for the rich history, which we are going to discover right now.
We started our tour from Bab al-Maresa, or La Maresa Gate, to discover the monuments of Safi, starting by the Portuguese Cathedral. To reach the cathedral, you can go through the Portuguese Cathedral passage and walk for a few meters. You will see the cathedral on your left. Built in 1519 in the Manuelan style, this cathedral was the first Portuguese cathedral outside Portugal, and it presents the first Gothic structure built in Africa. The most interesting element is the ribbed vault. The carved vault bosses tell part of the story of the visit of the Portuguese to the city. On the central boss, you'll find the coat of arms of the King Manuel, the king who took and fortified the city of Safi, around which you can see the keys of St. Peter, the Portuguese cross, the armillary sphere associated with the Portuguese maritime exploration during the Age of Discovery, 3 foliage bosses, the episcopal coat of arms of Safi's Bishop João Subtu, if my pronunciation is correct, and for which I could not find a picture. The last boss decoration has disappeared. Most of the structure was demolished after the departure of the Portuguese based on the Portuguese king's request. All that remains are parts of the choir and the side chapel. Though without its vault, the springers of the ribs can still be seen. Right in front of the Portuguese Cathedral, you'll find Safi Great Mosque. The mosque was demolished by the Portuguese who left only the minaret. Later, during the Alawite dynasty, the mosque was rebuilt. Hence, the minaret is detached from the rest of the mosque. The labyrinth of the Medina alleys and their narrowness have something mysterious about them that invites you to take a stroll. Architectural elements that show the Portuguese presence are still visible, and you can admire the variety and richness of the city's doorways. We also passed by the Spanish church, which was built by mid of the 19th century, which bell tower adds a particular beauty to the skyline of Safi. The Medina of Safi is surrounded by ramparts built by the Portuguese, which part of them are of Almohad origin between 12th and 13th century. Under Almohad, Safi functioned as an important port to Marrakech, which was the capital of Morocco at that time. The wall has several square towers and several gates, such as Bab Shaba. The Portuguese occupied Safi between 1508 and 1541. The Portuguese were attracted to the strategic location of the city of Safi and its flourishing commercial activities. At this moment, I'm passing by the Potter's Hill, which is facing Bab Shaba, one of the very famous gates of Safi. By the way, we have made a full video about the Potter's Hill, which you can check. We continued our walk along the wall, reaching Dar Sultan. Dar Sultan is a citadel which origin dates back to the Almohad era and was occupied by the Portuguese. The engraved coat of arms of the Portuguese king is still visible on the semicircular tower. When the citadel came under the Saadians, it was equipped with several cannons. They are today placed in front of the building, on which you can see Arabic inscriptions. Due to the undergone renovations and rearrangements over centuries, the building has been significantly altered. The building also carries various names according to the different functions served. We are entering back to the Medina through Bab Agrur. After a few meters, you can see the backside of Dar Sultan. Some of the ramparts towers still exist, offering a fantastic view over Safi and the ocean. However, they are very difficult to access. Way back, we passed by the traditional handicraft exhibition, where we found stands for leather slippers, argan oil, honey, traditional clothes, copperware, and more. Here at Koutoubia, I have finally tried the desert turban. I have always wanted to try it, and it happened today unexpectedly. When you travel in Morocco, there is never a dull moment. We are ending our today's video near the sea castle, which we are going to discover in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed our video for today. Until next time, with more to see in Morocco. Bye bye!